Welcome to the How to Change User Roles tutorial. Today, you will learn how to change user roles for your website. To change an existing user role, first log into your website. Navigate to the Users menu tab on the left side of the screen and click it. Hover over the existing user that you'd like to edit. Scroll down the page until you see the Role field. Enter in the new role or delete their existing role. Click on Update User on the bottom to save these changes. You've now learned how to change user roles on your website.